morning, Singapore VTS. This is cargo vessel Ocean Voyager. Call sign Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta. Inbound from Port Klang. We are currently 10 miles south of your station. Requesting traffic update and navigational assistance.
VTS. Good morning, Ocean Voyager. This is Singapore VTS. Visibility is reduced to 0.5 nautical miles due to dense fog. Outbound traffic includes container ship Sea Breeze, located 3 nautical miles north of your position. Fishing vessels Coral Star stationary near buoy 5. Please proceed with caution. Reduce your speed to no more than 8 knots and report when passing buoy 3.
Roger. Singapore VTS. Speed reduced to 8 knots. Will report at buoy 3. Ocean Voyager. Out.